Hi there, it's Mike Long at Pulse8 at ISE 2020. We've got a number of new product launches here today, all of which have been extremely well received. I'd like you to draw your attention to actually our HDBaseT 3 solution, and it's really quite an interesting and exciting solution in that we have an endpoint at our stand, and approximately 70 meters away we have another Pulse8 endpoint at the HDBaseT stand, and at that HDBaseT stand we have a PlayStation and also an LED screen. At our end where I have the PlayStation controller, and also I have a video camera, and it's providing a solution that's a two-way high-end 4K 60 444 uncompressed video, and also which is bi-directional, I should say, and also USB support, so I can actually control my PlayStation using my controller 70 meters away from the device. That really is a big problem solver for the AV integrator, because the PlayStation doesn't actually need to be located in a specific room, I should say. It can be in the rack, and the user can actually control it 70 meters away. So if you'd like to know more information, take a look at our website, www.pulse-8.com.